If you are a woman over 40 thinking about starting an online business, but the technology feels overwhelming and expensive, this quick masterclass is going to change everything for you because I'm going to show you 5 completely free AI tools that will help replace an entire team. No tech skills needed, no credit card required on some of these. And I want you to stay to the end because number 5 is the one that saves me the most time every single week. So what you will discover today is this. You don't need to spend thousands on technology. You don't have to have 100 tools to make it work. These 5 AI tools cost you $0 right now to start with, and with the option to upgrade to a paid subscription, which I highly recommend. And each one replaces expensive software or even team member. Okay, so this is perfect for beginners who are not tech savvy. Today, you will learn about ChatGPT, Canva, Gamma, CapCut, and Claude AI, and or Google Gemini, which all of these I use in my online business. Now, before we dive in, let me tell you why this matters so much right now. AI has leveled the playing field. You no longer need to hire a designer team, a copywriter, a marketing team, or even a tech person. You just need to know which tools to use. And here's the beautiful thing. Women over 40 have something AI can never replace, which is our decades of real-world expertise and wisdom. AI handles the tech while you bring your knowledge, your skills, and experience to the table. That combination is unstoppable. Okay, so let me go ahead and start telling you which these tools. So the number one that I want to show you is ChatGPT. And I know many of you have heard of this before, and probably most of you are using it right now. But the thing is, most people are using ChatGPT the wrong way. ChatGPT is your free AI writing assistant. It can write business plans. It can write email sequences, social media posts, sales pages, all in minutes instead of hours or weeks or months. The key is being specific with your prompts. Don't just say, write me a social media post or design me a Canva design. You have to say something specific. So you can do something like this. You can say, write me an Instagram caption for women over 40 who want to start an online business, focusing on the fear of technology, and then with a call to action to join my free community or your offer. See the difference? The more detail you give it, the better the output. Okay, so let me go through that again because I know I went over it really quickly. So here's the ChatGPT pro tip, okay? Again, don't just say, write me a social media post. Say, write me an Instagram caption for women over 40 who want to start an online business, focusing on the fear of technology with a call to action to join my free community or whatever offer that you have. You see, the more detail you give it, the better the output. Be ultra specific with your prompts for the best results. This single shift transforms ChatGPT from a novelty into a real business tool. Okay, so here's the other one, okay? Tool number 2. This is about Canva. You can start Canva for free, but they also have a pro version, which I highly recommend, especially if you're going to do so much, all right? But for now, you do not need to have the Canva Pro to get started. The free version gives you access to thousands of templates that you can use to create, let's say, your YouTube thumbnails, your Instagram posts, Facebook posts, LinkedIn posts, even digital products covers, even PDF guides, checklists, right? Everything you need, even presentation. It is literally drag and drop. Now, if you can move a mouse, you can definitely use Canva. That's how easy it is. I use it. Even my team uses this thing every single day for my business. And I started with the free version, so you can definitely do the same thing. But now we have the paid version because we do so much more. I have a marketing agency. I do things for my coaching clients as well, and I do things for myself. So Pro is just the way to go for me. Now, don't let anyone tell you that you don't need to pay for design tools when you're getting started, okay? That you need to pay for design tools when you're getting started. You can definitely just start with the free one for now and then upgrade once you start gaining, more clients and more sales. Okay, here's another one that I actually really, really love. I just adore this one. Tool number 3 is one of the most, and this is it, okay? A lot of people actually have not heard of this before, but it's called Gamma.app. And to me, it's a complete game changer, right? What happens is you type in your topic or you upload your document that you have, whatever that is, the outline. Maybe it's your online course, your coaching program, whatever the case may be for you. You upload it to Gamma, and then the AI builds you a beautiful presentation, even a document, presentation when it comes to, like, let's say PowerPoint slides. As a matter of fact, what you see here, this is made from Gamma, and it only took me minutes to create this. I uploaded my document that has the outline of the things that I wanted to say today, and then Gamma just created all these things for me, and it added the images, it added the bullet points and all that good stuff. So now what I'm doing is I'm just going through the presentation, and then I'm recording my voice or my script over this, and that's it, right? So, I use this to create lead magnets, even course materials, and even pitch decks for my business. And, I just love Gamma because it creates these beautiful slides in minutes with images in minutes, and not like Canva, which I still use, right? But Canva, you got to drag and drop, and then you have to choose the images. It just takes longer. But if you just need those quick presentations, Gamma is the way to go. And you can use the free version, okay, to start with. Try it out, see if you like it. But if you love it, go ahead and also upgrade to the paid version, because it's just going to be a game changer for you, okay? So especially if you create digital products or courses, things like that, this tool alone will save you dozens of hours creating those things. Now, the next tool I have is called CapCut. If you're going to be on YouTube, which you absolutely should be, you need a video editor. And one that I recommend right now is CapCut. And there's so many out there, but CapCut is a lot easier. And you can start free version, though again, I recommend that you upgrade for paid version to unlock more features. Anyway, CapCut is intuitive, and it has AI-powered features like auto captions, which are essential for accessibility and engagement, okay? So people can read your words. And it also has templates specifically designed for your YouTube shorts and even Instagram reels and Facebook stories, Instagram stories, TikTok even. You can take your long form videos, which is like this, what I'm creating right now, such as, this presentation right now, chop them into shorts, add captions, and then post them, on your social media profiles, right? And again, you can start with the free one, but again, there's a paid version to that. Your videos will look professional because it can actually do all these things that you need for CapCut, with CapCut. Now, the last tool, okay, and this is actually, I personally use this the most. I use this every single day. Is Claude AI by Anthropic. And I also use Google Gemini, but I often find myself going to Claude AI. These two are the most advanced AI assistants that I can think of, okay, that can think strategically about your entire business. I use these to analyze my business model, create frameworks, create outlines, develop my community content, plan product launches, and really make those smarter decisions. Okay, it helps me nonetheless. It's like having a business strategist on call 24/7. And the free versions, obviously are powerful enough to build a real business with. And again, you can always upgrade. But this is the tool that takes you from just creating content to actually building a business. Now, transparency. I actually have the max version of Claude because of the amount of work I do just about every single day, as well as my team. So this is just my preference. So these are your 5 free AI tools: ChatGPT, Canva, Gamma, CapCut, Claude AI, or Gemini, right? But here's what I want you to really understand. Tools without a plan, it just creates more confusion, okay? You can have all of these awesome tools to use, but if you don't have a plan or strategy, it's just going to make you even more confused. So, having what you call, a hammer doesn't mean you know how to build a house. You still got to have a plan. And that's exactly why I created the Digital Entrepreneurs Community, which is what I call DEC, for coaches and entrepreneurs. Inside DEC, I don't just show you the tools and how to use it, okay? I actually show you the exact system that turn them into income streams. I walk you through it step by step with live support every single week. And all of this is just, $47 a month. For now, it's $47 a month. I say for now because this price can change at any time. Now, with DEC, this is a private community for entrepreneurs, and they're building, I have men and women in there, and they're building an online business using AI tools, using School Community. They build their coaching business, their high ticket programs. They also learn how to create digital products that they sell, and so much more. Okay. And we go in there every single week, and I'm there supporting them, guiding them along the way. So, that is a private community. If you want to get started right now, you can download my AI Business Starter Kit, which is inside DEC. The link is right there in the description, as well as is on screen. It will have, the kit will have all the 5 tools plus other frameworks, okay, to help you start building your business today. That's available inside DEC. And so, and also, if you got value from this video, subscribe to my channel, hit that bell, because I drop new videos every Tuesday and Thursday to help women over 40 build AI powered businesses. So thanks for watching, everyone, this training. And if there's a topic or subject that you want me to cover next time, just drop your comment below. And again, don't forget to subscribe. I'm Ires Alliston, the AI Freedom Architect, and thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.